Hello kids, welcome back. So, yesterday we have studied a new chapter which is fractions. In that we have learned types of fractions. Children, you have learned this fraction topic in your fourth standard also. There also you learned types of fractions, equivalent fractions. So, yesterday we learned about types of fractions. So, today we are going to learn about equivalent fractions. Now, let's see what is equivalent fraction. Equivalent means equal in value. Equivalent fractions are fractions that equal the same amount. Means equivalent means equal. Two fractions which have the values equal. Let's look at the equivalent fractions 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 4. So see here, 1/2 and 2/4 are same. They told us that these two numbers, these two fractions, 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 4 are equal. But children, looking at this, can you tell me whether they are same or not? No. See, here it is 1 upon 2 and here it is 2 upon 4. So how can we say that this is equivalent fraction? So see children, this is 1 upon 2 is already in the lowest term, means we cannot divide it further. Like this 1 comes in 1 ka table and 2 comes in again 1 ka table. Yes, I know 2 comes in 2 ka table also, but both these numbers, both this numerator and denominators come in which table? Yes, you are right. They comes in 1 ka table. So they cannot be further divided. Let's consider this. We'll see. It is 2 upon 4. When we divide it further, it's 2 upon 4. When we divide it, see this 2 comes in 2 ka table and even this 4 comes in 2 ka table. So I divided by 2 divided by 2 upon 4 divided by 2. So we get it as 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So the answer is 1 upon 2. Now see children, here also 1 upon 2 and here also 1 upon 2. So these two fractions are equivalent because they have the same value. This is 1 upon 2 and when we divide this number, this fraction further, we get the answer as 1 upon 2. For that reason, we say that these two fractions are equivalent. Moving ahead. Now, equivalent fractions. Equivalent means equal fractions, as I told you earlier. Now, equivalent fractions have the same value even though they may look different. They have same value, but they look different. See children, these two numbers we have already seen in the previous slide, 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 4. Even this 4 upon 8 is also the same. Now this 4 and 8 comes in which table? Yes, this comes in 2 ka table also and this comes in 4 ka table. So we'll divide it by 4. When we divide this fraction by 4, we get the answer as 1 upon 2. So all these three fractions are equivalent. Finding. Now how to find out equivalent fractions? There are two ways. First one is we can find equivalent fractions by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number. We should multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. एक ही नंबर से दोनों न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी 1 into 2 upon 2 into 2. See here, 1 upon 2, I multiplied this numerator and denominator by 2. So I got the answer as 2 upon 4. So this 2 upon 4 and this 1 upon 2 are equivalent fractions, means equal fractions. One more method, we can also find equivalent fractions by dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. यहाँ पे हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया है न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को सेम नंबर से, तो यहाँ पे हम डिवाइड करेंगे. लेट्स सी एन एग्जांपल. 6 divided by 2 upon 8 divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. So answer is 3. And 2 4s are 8. So 4. So answer is 3 upon 4. So now this 6 upon 8 and this 3 upon 4 are equivalent fractions. Now, how to check whether the fractions are equivalent? If the cross products are equal, the fractions are equivalent. Cross मतलब product मतलब cross multiplication. जैसे 2 upon 5 and 6 upon 15. तो देखो यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर्स दोनों के अलग अलग हैं. यहाँ पे 5 है और यहाँ पे 15 है. वी विल डू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट का मतलब है ये वाले फ्रैक्शन को हम 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और ये वाले फ्रैक्शन को हम 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. बट यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, सिर्फ 5 और 15 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 5 into 6 gives you 30 and 2 into 15 gives you 30. See, ये दोनों का भी नंबर क्या आ रहा है, 30. So that means these products are equivalent. These fractions are equivalent. ये दोनों भी fractions equivalent है. Next one, if the cross products are not equal, the fractions are not equivalent. So 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 7. When we cross multiply it, we get the answer as 4 5s are 20 and 2 7s are 14. See, 5 4s are 20, 2 7s are 14. यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे है दोनों जगह पे 30 आए थे, यहाँ पे दोनों जगह पे अलग अलग आए 20 and 14. That means these fractions are not equivalent. So children, let's see some examples of from our exercise 6a. The first question, multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 in each to get the equivalent fraction. यहाँ पे मैंने सिर्फ एक ही नंबर लिया है. You have to take this different questions, but you have to take 3 only. Here they have given you the number, so you will multiply by 3 only. So they have given the number as 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 into 3 and into 3 gives you 3 3s are 9 and 5 3s are 15. So this 9 upon 15 and 3 upon 5 are equivalent fractions. Next, multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2, 3 and 4 in each of these to get a set of equivalent fractions. Now this 2 upon 3 they have already given. This is the question given there. We have to first multiply it by 2. Then we have to multiply it by 3 and then we have to multiply it by 4. If they have given the number, we will use that number. If they have not given the number, we will use any number to find the equivalent fraction. So 2 upon 3, first we'll multiply by 2. So 2 into 2 upon 3 into 2 gives you 4 upon 6. 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. Next 2 upon 3. So 2 into 3 and upon 3 into 9. 3 into 3. So 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So 6 upon 9. Again 2 upon 3. 2 into 4 upon 3 into 4. So 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. Next, divide by a common factor to get an equivalent fraction. They have given 14 upon 49. Now this 14 upon 49 comes in which table? Yes, this both number comes in 7 ka table. So I divided by 7. So 7 2s are 14 and 7 7s are 49. So what is the answer here? 2 upon 7. Next, 28 upon 32. Now this 28 and 32 comes in which table? They comes in 4 ka table. So I divided by 4. So 4 7s are 28 and 4 8s are 32. So it is 7 upon 8. Now see children, this fourth question. Fill in the empty boxes. They have given here 2 upon 5 is equal to dash upon 15. Now we need to find out this number. Now how will find out? So नीचे जब देखो दो numbers दिए हुए. So I'll divide this big number by this small number. So 15 divided by 5 gives you 3. मेरे को आंसर आया 3. Now this 3 I will multiply here. This fraction I'll multiply it by 3. So 2 upon 5 into 3 gives me 6 upon 15. Now this 6 will come here in this box. Next one. Again, dash upon 5 is equal to 20 upon 25. Again, as I said you in the earlier slide, we will divide this big number by 5. We get 25 divided by 5. We get the answer as 5. Now we'll divide this fraction by this answer, this fraction. So 20 divided by 5, we get the answer as 4. So here we'll get the answer as 4. So it is 4 upon 5. See children, when we need to find out here, see, we are finding a bigger number. So I'll multiply it. And here we need to find a smaller number. So we will divide it. One more division ka example. 5 upon dash is equal to 15 upon 21. So we'll divide this 15 by 5. So 15 divided by 5 gives you 3. Now I will divide this 21 by this 3. So 21 divided by 3. What answer I'll get? I'll get the answer as 7. So this 7 comes here. I hope children you have understood this. Thank you.